Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can change your language on Instagram. It's really easy and it really doesn't matter if you're using Android or the iPhone because the process is pretty much the same. Alright, so first of course open your Instagram app and then click on your profile icon that is on the bottom right, and then click on three horizontal lines that is on the top right. Then press on settings. So if you're using iPhone, settings will be on the top, and if you're using Android, the settings option will be probably the last one. And then press on account and then press on language. And as you can see here, there is few steps, so continue to the next screen and tap language to select the language that you want. If no language setting is available, go to your general iPhone language settings to first set as a preferred language. So press continue, then you will be redirected to your phone options. And if you're using iPhone, you will see that on the bottom there is a language, and then you can select whatever you want and whatever available. Alright, so guys, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.